Hello friends, welcome to my new video tutorial. In this tutorial we will learn how to create glitch effect in Adobe Photoshop. So without any further ado, let's roll the intro. Here we are in Photoshop. I'm using this image. I will put the link in the description box so you can download this image. This royalty free image. First of all, duplicate this background layer by pressing Ctrl J. Create another duplicate copy. For the first layer, click on the right side, double click on the right side. It will open up the layer styles. In layer styles, there you can see blending options. In blending options, uncheck this red channel. Don't uncheck these two, only uncheck this red channel. Hit OK, and now select this layer and press Ctrl plus left key to displace it to get a minimal glitch effect. Now for the second layer, double click on the right side. Same process, but in this menu you have to uncheck red and green. Don't uncheck this blue. Hit OK. Again hit Ctrl and displace it, just like so. Now select background layer, press shift and select the first layer, press Ctrl E to merge these layers. Now create a copy of background layer by pressing Ctrl J. We have created the copy of background layer. For this copy, simply select the rectangular marquee tool there. This is rectangular marquee tool, and start creating rectangles. Now in order to create many rectangles, press shift and it will add all the rectangles. Create rectangles randomly to get minimal effect, just like so. Start creating these rectangles, and yes, now press Ctrl and left arrow key to move it on the left side. Press Ctrl D to deselect it and say this. We have got this glitch effect. Now create 2 or 3 more rectangles and press Ctrl and right key to move it on the right side. Press Ctrl D to deselect. Yes, that's looking good. Now create a new layer. In the new layer, press Ctrl plus backspace to fill it. In the filter option, go to filter gallery. In this, when you open the filter gallery, it will look like so. In the sketch options, you can select this chalk and charcoal, or you can go with halftone pattern. In case I'm going with chalk and charcoal, hit OK. It will apply the filter gallery onto your layer. Now from normal mode to overlay mode, yes, place it between these two layers. Now you have to make the copy of this layer and place it over first layer. Press Alt to make a copy and place it over first layer. For this layer, go with soft light and opacity to about 30%. It's looking good. Now select your layer 1, create some rectangles, just like so, and now press Ctrl plus Alt and drag it just over there. create one more rectangle, control plus star, there and there. You can see this looking good. Now create some bigger rectangles, just like so. Move it on the right side. Select the layer 1 and now move it to right side. Control D to deselect. Yes, amazing. We have created this glitch in Adobe Photoshop. Now for the text, I'm writing text glitch. First of all, select all of the layers and control E to merge these layers. For the glitch text, control J to duplicate, make 2 copies. Same process with the text. Uncheck this one and displace it just like so. Again with this one, uncheck these 2 colors and displace it. Now select the rectangle tool, draw a rectangle in the middle, merge these layers, and now select this to the right side, displace it a bit just like so. That's how you can create glitch effect in Photoshop.